Use a common denominator before adding 2/3 and 1/4.
We will add and subtract fractions with unlike denominators by replacing given fractions with equivalent fractions. To master this, we will add unlike denominators, subtract in context, use estimation first, and explain a common mistake. Sedge will encounter pieces of all different sizes. The challenge at every turn is finding a way to bring them together so they can finally be measured as one. At the thirds inlet, Sedge needs to find 2/3 plus 1/4. To find the total, rename both fractions with the common denominator 12. 2/3 becomes 8/12, and 1/4 becomes 3/12. Now that the pieces match, we add 8/12 plus 3/12 equals 11/12. The combined total is clear. 2/3 plus 1/4 equals 11/12. In the fourths inlet, a recipe uses 5/6 cup of oats. You already poured 1/3 cup. How much more do you need? Look at the measuring cup reads. To find the difference, first rename 1/3 as 2/6. Now, subtract 5/6 minus 2/6. The remaining amount is 3/6 or 1/2 cup. You need 1/2 cup more. At the 12ths confluence, before calculating 7/8 minus 1/6 exactly, what should you know about the answer? 7/8 is slightly less than 1. 1/6 is a tiny sliver, less than 1/5. Subtracting that sliver means the answer should be a little more than 2/3. The exact answer is 17/24, which matches the estimate of a little more than 2/3. At the checked sum pool, a student says 2/3 plus 1/4 equals 3/7. Why is that not correct? The student added numerators and denominators without matching part sizes, but thirds and fourths are not the same size pieces. We must rename both fractions as 12ths before adding. This correction gives us our final result. The fractions must be rewritten with equal-sized parts before adding. Retracing our journey along the river, we can see how the landscape changed with every solution. Here are the results. 2/3 plus 1/4 equals 11/12. You need 1/2 cup more. The exact answer is 17/24, which matches the estimate of a little more than 2/3. The fractions must be rewritten with equal-sized parts before adding. Thinking back on the correction we made at the pool, how would you check this result? The fractions must be rewritten with equal-sized parts before adding.
8/12 plus 3/12 equals 11/12.